Hi, I'm Christy Neidhart. Welcome to 251 Millchurch here in Arnold. We're right down the creek from the Point restaurant. Great location. Let's take a tour. Hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, skylights. Coming back to views of the creek. Large deck for entertaining. Views of Old Mill Creek. Quick boat ride or swim up to the Point restaurant. Wood-burning fireplace. Beautiful granite countertop, white appliances. Come through the formal dining space. Such a bright and inviting home. Hardwood floors throughout the second level as well. Come back to the master bedroom. Come back to the master bath. Glass shower, large soaking tub, granite countertops. Juliet balcony overlooking the water. Perfect place to have coffee in the morning or read a book. Two more bedrooms. Beautiful hall bath, glass enclosed shower. Basement with cute little bar area, a nice family room, walkout level to let in all the light and the views of the water. Great workout space or office space. For more information on this home, visit us at our website, kn-team.com, or call us at 410-599-1370. We hope you've enjoyed this tour. Welcome home.